guys. Let's get it.
We ready to roll?
Ready to roll, baby.
Coach Lou getting after him. You got everybody in? We're good? We're stoked.
Go.
Look at Lou holding us up. Reverend Lou holding court. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Hey, give me right here. What's up, baby? Let's get that. I said Reverend Lou holding church. Let's go. We're going to get after it right now with this one fist stuff. Hey, this is our time, man. This is our stuff. Hit him in the mouth. Hit him in the mouth. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3, family. You got to hit him in the mouth first. Let's go. Virginia! Virginia! Get him! Get him! Oh, whoa! Listen to me. One fist, two fists. All right, family on 3. 1, 2, 3, family. Hey, let's go. Hey, we're going hand right on the top. No. Right now, look, if you foul, they're in bonus. They can show your hands. Don't be that aggressive with your hands. Keep them in front. Play solid, disciplined defense. Help each other out. Help each other out. Let's go. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3, family.
No, that's it.
Here's the deal. You know what, man? When we came down here, we came here on a mission. We started off sluggish, but you know, like I told you, I always preach to you, it's a team. You don't want to be part of the team, and those guys that's left, you know the deal, you never gave up. That's what I like about you guys. Somebody just steps up, and that's a great team. I told you, man, a lot of people don't know about us. They don't think you can play ball up in Winchester, but damn it, we can. Against the best EYBL team. We belong in the EYBL, you know what I'm saying? I mean, real deal. They don't give us the respect, we'll just keep whipping their asses when we gotta see it. All right, then eventually they'll open the door. All right, but I told you from day one, if we work hard, we stay focused, we do the little things, we'll be a great team. And I appreciate you guys believing in that because you do it all the time. All right, you do it all the time. That's why we are where we are. That's why we're champions. All right, that's why we're champions. We shouldn't be number 10 or 11 anymore. We're up in the top 5 at least. Everybody knows us now. All right, like I told you, but we still got to stay hungry. All right, we can't just say, hey, we're the champs like we did last year. Trust me, next week they coming after you. We got a day or two to enjoy this. Then all of a sudden, next Friday, we roll back up in there and we just keep, let's get another one of these. What the hell, let's get another one. All right, let's get another one. Hey man, I'm proud of each and every one of them. It took a team, not one person, it took a team. And that did it. All right, Andrew, you got something? Drew, you got anything? Blue, you got something? Wrong. Proud of you guys, man. Good job. That's all I got. Let's get better in practice. I love you guys. Love you guys. In the doghouse. Family on 3. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family. Yeah.